Alright, this one is the one that turned out best, and it has minimal, like I didn't have to do any post-processing there on the layer lines here, but it still has kind of a smaller gap maybe. Yeah, I think it's smaller, so the model might just need to be redone to allow for a bit of a larger gap there by kind of extending these gears up a little higher. Oh, there we go. Extending these gears up a little higher and maybe extending this cowling here. This is what was the main short part and the roundness when I remodeled it. So you could just use a touch up, but here's how it launches on 580. Wizard Rock. No chance. And here it is on same previous 360 night shield. So again, it's kind of minimal, but it's still pretty functional on this one. Yeah, and that happens a lot on the shield because it's so light that this one with that extra bounce definitely gets bit bursts a lot. So 385 might be key here. Go. That was pretty typical. Looked good.